Introducing the iHelmet Laser Hair Growth System. Version is LTD36 Air. The features include low-level laser therapy, pure physical therapy, no pain or negative side effects, and therefore no increase in health risk. It has 2 silicone shrapnel sets, soft silicone support, distance detection module, and voice reminder. It is FDA Cleared, all our lasers, no LED. Recommended use is 30 minutes every other day. I've been using the past few weeks and I have noticed that I have more hair growth on my scalp and thus makes my hair more fuller. So this is very easy to use. Make sure to charge this fully. Here's the USB cord, and to turn it on, it's a 1-button system. Wait for it. You see the green light. So this will be in the front and this one is on the back. See the red infrared lights popping up? So it means that it's doing its job. So I can do this while reading books or taking care of my kids, just sitting on my couch watching TV. The iHelmet Laser Hair Growth System is an FDA cleared device that can prevent hair loss, improve oily scalp conditions, and aid in hair regrowth.